Man, check this out, man. I keep fucking up on this, but I hope I get it right this time. And Cino, fuck you pussy ass nigga. Show off shouty. I wrote this rap. It's raw as fuck. Check me out. And I really want to spit this shit now because I'm mad because I fucked up. Look, it be like, man, fuck your little pussy ass, rookie ass, soft batch, sweeter than a cookie ass nigga. Never ever been a lame, got a name, came up in the game to make money, rap, and entertain. Don't get it tangled, my inner beast is never tame. You circus animal, Tony the Tiger's niggas lame. Astonishing swag will make a lame feel ashamed. It's funny how I don't know your bitch, but she know my name. It's funny how my swag still niggas mains, and how I'm me and the same me I still remain. But what I'm really trying to say is how bitches change, cause how she is now from when she met me is not the same. Dang, now look at you, same bitch you was busting down slides, spit at you. Man, fuck this nigga Cino, right back at you. Catch your ass slipping, them goons attack you. Ooh, big shit, a Mac dude, can't stop, I'm apple crisp like a Mac dude. Not the cereal, I'm your inferior, you niggas need to stop it, you acting just like a silly hoe. Whoa, I had to add that shit on at the end because you know my rap was just gone. I mean, I ran out of words to write on the paper. Now I'm just doing you pussy niggas a favor. Woo. Nigga.